Every people's dream is living in a large house, but this thing is not possible for everyone. Especially we are the people from Bangladesh, and we are third world country. All of the peoples, they are not from upper class. Most of the people of our country, they are from lower class and middle class. So for this type of middle class family, they don't have such amount of money to buy a large house. So what they are doing different types of things, and then I will try to explain this thing. So first of all, I think if we compare village life and city life, then I think in village it's possible to buy a large house with a small amount of money, because here you can buy a land with a lower price, but in city area the price of land is huge. It's actually beyond imagination. So that's why I think the village people, they can get an opportunity to buy a large house or to build a large house. But there is a lack of facility in city area. We see that the electricity, there is no subsidy of electricity. Sometimes we see that in village area people have to face a lot of load shedding, but in city area this type of problems is less, and the people from the city area, they can get gas facility, and sometimes they can get facility to teach their child into a famous school. This type of facility actually not available in the village area. Here another thing is most of the people of our city, they actually rent a house. It's not any apartment, it's not any big house. They are actually 2-room or 3-room apartment, 2-room or 3-room flat. And sometimes I see whenever I stayed at Dhaka city in my college life, at that time I experienced that some people, they rent only 1 room. So this is very pathetic actually, and this type of room or this type of flat, they don't have enough enough wind flow, and sometimes we see that they don't have enough light or such type of things. So this is very pathetic, especially if anyone live in this type of area for a long time. At that time they may face different type of disease also. So that's actually very pathetic for the peoples like us, the peoples who have a huge amount of money, who are from business class family, who are from upper level officials, government officials maybe, or maybe who are from different companies, upper level officials. They only get the opportunity to buy an apartment, and they can actually arrange different types of facility, like when the electricity is gone, when all of the people, they have to face load shedding. At that time they start their generator, so it doesn't matter that whether the electricity is gone or not. So this type of things they get, and also sometimes we see that all of their rooms, the people who are upper class, all of their rooms are air conditioned. So at that time also they don't have to think about the weather condition. Maybe it's hot in summer day, or it's winter it's very cold in winter, but they don't have to care all of these things because they have enough facility. So this is actually an unfair advantage in our country. So that's actually a simple video. I appreciate that you are watching this video, and thank you all.